Ideal and Adarsh Vidyalaya Metric Higher Secondary School. Hi children. Welcome to our online classes. Class 4th Standard Subject Science Term 1 and Unit 2. Everything in this universe is made of something. Let us have look at it. Sun, moon, river and rocks are all natural things. They are found in nature. They are not made by man. Car, chair, road and hut are made by man. They are man-made things. Which a thing is made of is called material. Yes, today our topic is materials. Definition of materials. The matter from which a thing is made of is called materials. For example, chair is made of wood. Candle is made of wax. Eraser is made of rubber plant. Similarly, glass, plastic, rubber, leather, sand, metal are different materials that we used to make different materials. Next, our topic is properties of materials. We are going to learn about properties of materials. First one, hard or soft. Second one is shiny or dull. Third one is smooth or rough. And fourth one is flexible or rigid. Hard materials. Materials which cannot be easily compressed, cut, bent or scratched are called hard materials. For example, brick, bone and steel. Soft materials. Materials which can be easily compressed, cut, bent or scratched are called soft materials. For example, foam, clay and skin. Next one, shiny materials. Materials which reflect the light well are called shiny materials. For example, stainless steel, gold and diamond. And next one, dull materials. Materials which do not reflect the light well are called dull materials. For example, candle, paper and jute bag. And next one, rough materials. Materials which have ups and downs on their surface are called rough materials. Rough material example for brick, rock and tire. Smooth materials. Materials which do not have ups and downs on their surface are called smooth materials. Example for mirror, silk cloth and tiles. Flexible materials. Materials which can be bent or stretched easily are known as flexible materials. For example, rubber band, electric wire and cycle tube. Rigid materials. Materials which cannot be bent or stretched easily are known as rigid materials. For example, a stick, wooden scale and stone. And last one, waterproof materials. Materials that do not allow water to pass through them are called waterproof materials. For example, raincoat and aluminium foil of tablet strip. Thank you children. Thank you for watching.